vlog. It's pep rally week. Woo! Right now we have the teachers.
I love you.
Look, we gotta show the teachers. Look, we're doing the teachers dance right now. Getting pumped. Okay, if you don't stop showing my ear, I'm gonna punch you in the face. Everybody on the vlog, say what's up. Wow. Right now we are at a dance. We are in a little breaky break. The vlog knows Alina very well. Just finished dance. I feel like I'm about to die. How do you guys feel? I guess they feel... I did bring cookies because I missed the ballet class, so I had to pay everybody. I signed a contract saying that I wouldn't miss any more classes. And then I did. I feel like I'm actually about to die. Good thing I came though, because I don't know the dances.
There's Sister Steph. Look at her. Oh, wow. Oh, my God. Oh, there's Rachel. Wait, can I zoom in? Where'd she go? Where'd she go? She's in there somewhere. Oh, there she is. Oh, you should be in high school. I lost Stephanie.
Check, 1, 2, check. Check, 1, 2, check.
The whole dance team.
I'm so glad I Is that my boy Clarence?
Hey, yeah, Clarence looking nice.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Break it down.
Go back to my it's to Stephanie's channel. We just got back from the pep rally. And that's an experience. Honestly, the only part that really truly mattered was our troops. Oh.
The future U.S. Army soldiers?
The way they were like they almost shot us all up like that. That shit was I mean I guess the dancing was all right. You know, I couldn't really see much.
I mean, I did mess up. The pollen. The pollen's after me. That's your view. Whoa. My trash can fell over. Oh my God. Did you not want me to start it?
Huh?
Did you not want me to start it?
No, it's fine.
Oh man, I was gonna do my hair today.
It's raining, and Sophie just got a spray tan. She better run before there's a truck coming. It's about look both ways. Hit her, please, hit her. Oh my goodness, let's go. This is what we're rolling up to Target in. Sophie actually looks fine. Right now, we're trying to look for, a little jewelry for the old dress. Okay, so this is what I saw the other day, but I wasn't sure if it was good or not. Okay. Wait, no, those don't match. Because it's like silverish, right? Or do they match? I don't know. Because like that's
dress and just buy all of the
yeah, do you want to try it on? You can do it if you want.
they're too dark.
Yeah, because it looks light from over there, but then, and then I saw, freak, which one was it? Where did I see? How much are they?
$100.
$8. So basically,
So close.
Oh, these are the ones I looked at yesterday, but they're like silver, so
That's
I think
the wrong
that those
color.
goes more with it, yeah.
Yeah.
Hello guys, we just went in shopping, found our earrings. Yeah, I got veggie chips. Not sponsored, but if you guys want to sponsor me, go ahead.
Oh, I'm gonna do a little review. Y'all know, well, y'all don't know, but you're gonna find out. I'm a big energy drinks fan, right? Normally I stick to Monster. Every now and then I switch it up and drink a Red Bull. But this is new. I saw an ad for it on Instagram earlier, and I was like, huh, might as well get it. So y'all gonna see me take a sippity sip. I dropped some fire. Okay, so it's called Rain. What if I get sponsored right now?
On my channel.
Okay, well, here we go.
That's fun.
Oh, it smells pretty good. It's a, oh, I didn't even tell you what flavor it is. It's lemonade flavor. Okay, here we go.
Lemonade flavor.
You know what it tastes like? It tastes like lemonade, like the powder, lemonade powder. It just tastes like you're putting that in your mouth.
Oh.
It's good. Not that. No, it's not.
Oh, I like that.
Would you like to take a shippity ship?
Sure. It tastes good. It tastes like summer.
Like summer?
Okay, let's get balling. Is it this playlist that you want?
Now I got a confession.
Ha 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 ha.
Cause she danced on. We danced on.
I danced all day. Could have been us at prom.
There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes you're gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side.
Bye vlog. Just getting gas right now. After closer inspection of my nails, I hate them. They literally look so bad. Like, cause I want it like a clear pink, but literally you can like see the nail underneath my nail, and so it's literally so ugly. I'll show you. But I'm being super quiet because I don't want people to see I'm talking to my phone. Hey vlog, just got my nails fixed this morning. Laid down for about 5 minutes, and now Amber has joined the party.
Hey.
Sophie's sleeping. Brat. And just getting ready right now. Update, 40 minutes. I'm pretty much done, and that's all Amber's done. Her hair. Now let's wake up Sophie. Good morning. It's almost 1:30. It's time for wakey wakey. Eggs and bakey.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh my god. She has risen. Bye.